Thank you for joining us today at Living Intentionally. Please like and subscribe for more manifestation videos. Today we are going to manifest using the pillow method. Have you ever wished for something to come into your life? Perhaps it's love, a great job, or something physical. You have the power inside you to make those wishes come true. It's called manifesting. It's like magic, but it's real. We all have this power. You can use your thoughts and feelings to create amazing things in your life. The universe listens to your desires. It wants to give you what you dream about. But sometimes our thoughts get messy. We worry, we doubt. This blocks the universe from giving us what we want. That's where the pillow method comes in. It's a simple, powerful tool to help you manifest your dreams. The pillow method is like planting a seed in the ground. You take your wish, make it clear in your mind, and put it under your pillow at night. Your pillow becomes like the earth, holding your dreams safe and nurturing it as you sleep. How does it work? When you sleep, your mind is quiet and open. It's the perfect time to talk to the universe. By placing your wish under your pillow, you're sending a clear, strong message to the universe about what you want. Here's how to do the pillow method. First, think about what you truly desire. Write it down on a piece of paper. Be clear and specific. Don't just write a new bike. Write a shiny red bike with a silver bell. Next, hold the paper in your hand. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself already having your wish. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude. Really feel it in your heart. Now put the paper under your pillow. As you fall asleep, keep thinking about your wish. Feel the happy feelings again. Trust that the universe has heard you. The pillow method helps you focus your thoughts and energy. It's like sending a direct message to the universe. The more you use it, the stronger your manifesting power becomes. You might start seeing little signs that the universe is working for you. Don't ignore them. These are positive signs that your dreams are coming true. Remember, the universe works in magical ways. Be patient. Trust the process. Keep believing in the power of your dreams. The pillow method is a fun, easy way to start manifesting the life you've always wanted. Sweet dreams and happy manifesting. Please join us again for more manifestation techniques. Also, please comment below with your manifestation successes. I love you and can't wait to hear from you.